Okay, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to decide if something really is a function or not just by looking at ordered pairs. So the first thing we want to do is take our mapping, okay, and turn it into ordered pairs. And what we do is we take the input number and whatever it's mapping to, if it's mapping to more than one thing, we'll have to represent it twice. But the 1 maps to the 6. So we make an ordered pair that says x value 1, y value 6. I can do that with 2 and 7, with 3 and 8, and with 4 and 5. And this gives us a set of ordered pairs that we could graph on the xy coordinate plane. Okay, so this makes a very nice representation. We usually don't write our functions out with these mappings. They're really, the only time we see mappings in mathematics is in the beginning of the functions chapter, where we're trying to express the idea of what these mappings do and what functions do. They map input numbers to output numbers. More likely, you'll see them either like this, or actually you might just see an equation that can create these things based on inputs and outputs. So this is a good function. And if you didn't have this diagram to tell you, remember with functions, every input maps to only one output, and that's what we have here. But if you didn't have this to go by, and you were just looking at these ordered pairs, what you would notice is that each input, which is 1, 2, 3, and 8, only represented once. And if they are represented multiple times, they would always map to the same number. Okay, so in this case, we've got a good function. Now here's another mapping. Starts out okay, we got the 1 and the 5. The 2 maps to the 6, but it also maps to the 7. So notice we have 2 ordered pairs with the same x value, but different y values. And that's the part that makes it not a function. That's when you say, no, this is not a function. Great relation, sure it makes sense for something, but if you're looking for whether it's a function or not, this is not a function.